How many times have you wondered whether you should accept your former spouse's proposed separation agreement or settlement offer? It can be difficult to decide whether you should like all or only some of the terms of their proposed settlement or separation agreement. Hi, my name is Thomas O'Malley. I'm an experienced family lawyer in Durham Region and the GTA. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so already. You can evaluate your former spouse's proposed separation agreement or settlement offer by following a very methodical approach which involves a series of important questions to answer. You must ask yourself a number of key questions to evaluate or assess whether you like or should accept your former spouse's proposal about settling the issues in your separation or divorce. The first question is, how close is the proposed agreement to what you are looking for? The second question is, does your spouse's proposed agreement meet most of your goals that you have set based on your family lawyer's advice and recommendations? That's very important. Number 3, is the proposed agreement fair and reasonable for you and your kids? Number 4, is there anything missing from the agreement that's worth the cost and time involved in continued negotiations? Number 5, is your spouse likely to make additional concessions if you continue negotiating? Number 6, are you willing to take the proposed settlement to end the time-consuming and expensive legal process? Give that some careful thought. Number 7, given what you know about a family court judge in your area, what they might do, are you likely to do better if you go all the way to trial than if you were to accept what your former spouse is offering? Again, another really important question to answer. What is the worst that could happen? Your family lawyer should be able to give you a strong sense of how a judge would be likely to rule on your case at trial. Number 8, if you really push for whatever is missing, what would you have to give up in order to get it? Is it worth it to you? What are the risks of not settling now? Number 9, if you don't settle now, how long will it take for your case to come to trial, and how long is the trial likely to last? You certainly need to discuss the advantages and disadvantages of your former spouse's proposed agreement with your family lawyer. Your lawyer can advise you whether the proposed agreement is fair and reasonable based on the facts of your case and the application of Ontario family law principles to your situation. Your lawyer may tell you that what your former spouse has offered is about as good as you're going to get, that you can probably get a few more concessions if you keep negotiating, or that you should not accept your former spouse's proposed agreement because it's not fair and reasonable to you. However, you must make the final decision about your former spouse's proposed agreement. Just make sure you get solid advice from your family lawyer about the proposed agreement before you make any decisions about accepting the proposed agreement or not. If you have any questions about your separation, divorce, or family law case, and you'd like our help, feel free to contact me on my Facebook Law Office page, that's O'Malley Family Law, or call me at 905-434-8837, and I'll point you in the right direction. Please make sure to share this important video and information with your friends, family members, and coworkers.